Hi, my name is Hillbilly. I'm here in Sturgis, South Dakota at the Dennis Kirk Ride-In Bike Show. Having a good time down here with all my friends, and I rode this bike to Sturgis. I built this bike in 10 days. Paint, powder, and chrome, no bullshit. This bike is built in memory of my friend Plumber Bill. It's a Shovelhead bottom end, Evolution internals, S&S Panhead top end. It's a 4-speed with a Baker N1 shift drum, Baker kicker gears, Baker pedal, and a lot of this stuff I had laying around my shop. My favorite part of the bike is about my rusty wheels. They were on Plumber Bill's bike, and yeah, they're not shiny, but that's what he went up and down the road on, and I don't care. It's him riding with me. I've had a few guys help me build it. The welding was done by my friend Danny Nicholson and Sid Bolton. I can't say that they gave me a lot of help in my shops, so I have to thank them guys too. But everything else I did myself. I love the look with the 16-inch on the front, and that's what I like. That's what I like. Not everybody likes what I like, but thanks for checking out my bike. Thanks for checking everybody else's bike and everybody else who works just as hard as I do to put stuff in the show. And hopefully everybody had just as much fun as I do at the Dennis Kirk Show.